down to make her go quick.
No. We have to be patient and let her cross in her own time.
Yes, I'm an old lady. I can't go faster than this.
Mind you, this one's taking forever. Perhaps I should let her know we're waiting.
Police! Move off the road!
Good. Now the road is clear, we can move on.
Oh, here's a traffic light and it's red. What does that mean?
Stop!
Correct. When can we go?
When the light is green.
Very good. When the light turns green, we can
Go!
Wait for us!
Now, children, this is a roundabout.
Who knows what we do here?
Drive